Welcome to MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. My name is Bill Herr, and today we're going to take a look at this brand new 2019 Sea Ray 250 SDX. This is a newer model in the SDX line. We'll get into some of the features that they've changed and made it an awesome boat once we get up into it. First thing I'll point out, submersible swim platform, very easy for entering onto the boat, whether you're hanging out on a sandbar, if you're putting on some water skis or wakeboards, very easy access into the water and back onto the boat. Nice large hangout sun pad area. This seat convertible is back the other way, so it really turns into that expansive hangout space, whether you're at the dock or out enjoying the water on your day out. As we move forward into the boat, Sea Ray really goes for that entertainment area, so they give you that nice large cockpit, lots of seating, really great for entertaining, hanging out with friends, the family, whatever you're doing on the water that day. Both seats, port and starboard, are going to convertible forward or backward, whichever you have it set up for. Makes it great, especially on this side. Set this back, you can have somebody watching the people that are out in the water as they're doing their water sports. Up here at the helm area, we got the 9-inch Simrad screen. Really gives you full control of the boat with all of the switches and lights and all the mechanical data and everything like that for the captain. It's a newer thing with Sea Ray this year with the Simrad screens. If you'll notice, down underneath the helm, you have a nice large area. Have a padding kit that can go down there. You can get down there and get out of the sun if you have some little ones or anything like that that need to lay down for a little bit. That's one of the newest things with the 250 SDX that's really been popular and made this boat very, very popular since its release. You'll notice you have the walkway over here on the port side. That's what helps create that space underneath the helm. And what it also does is gives you this nice large area up here at the bow. Again, really hit that entertainment area. Lots of seating. You can hang out with your friends, hang out with your family, really enjoy that time together. Fusion stereo speakers up here just really keeps you part of the action that's going on in the boat. Again, this is a brand new 2019 Sea Ray 250 SDX. My name's Bill at MarineMax in Somers Point. You can come down and see us or give us a call at 609-926-0600. Thank you.